Okay, this is snail, this is tribe, and this is beef. So these are the protein I'm using. So you must not use this, you can use the one of your choice, but I'm only just showing you. So first you pour the tribes inside because it's stronger. So you have to put this one for like 10 minutes first. This is Maggi cube, thyme, powdered ginger, onions, and curry. So you put them all together inside to boil the meat. Then you put salt, the one of your choice. So you have to taste. You know me, I'm making plenty soup. So if you are making little, you have to add all these things little, not too much the way I'm putting them now. So you stir them together, then you cover. Okay, this is the beef. I've washed it, so like this it will make the soup to be green. So this is it. I'm not going to use all, it's much, so you can use the quantity you want. Okay, for the soup, for me the okra is much, you understand? So you have to stir, kind of, you are bringing those ones down from the down to up so that they will not over soft. So the meat is ready. Then we have to add the habanero pepper. Then you stir. You have to add the habanero pepper. You see, I add the habanero pepper. So you see it, it's coming out. We are there. So now let's put the snail. This is the snail because I don't want it to get too much soft. So now you turn it. So after the snail, we still have to cover it for like 1 minute, just 1 minute.